Okay, Meritage Homes, the Arlo. She's gonna love the square footage. And this porch is great too.
Light up some lights.
This is lot 35.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, with new construction and the majority of the homes, we're gonna have carpet in the bedrooms. That's just how it is in Arizona.
Yeah.
Tankless hot water heater. What's this interior called?
This is the
I love
Radiant package.
Radiant.
Yeah.
She prefers darker cabinets, unfortunately.
Let me see. I may have one.
You may
I
have.
have a couple of those. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I have one on lot 13.
Okay. This is a big laundry room also. It's a gorgeous shower door. I mean, just thick and solid.